Hey guys, this is Eric Miller at M&M 2022 in Portland, Oregon, and I'm here with Ashley from Physical Electronics, as opposed to the non-physical electronics. I don't know. But anyway, Ashley, I was wondering if you could tell us about any sort of new or interesting instruments that you have released, in the past couple of years.
Sure, yeah. So at Physical Electronics, we are one of the world leaders in surface analysis instrumentation. We mainly specialize in three techniques: XPS, X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy, auger electron spectroscopy, and tof-sims, time-of-flight secondary ion mass spectrometry. And like you said, we do have some new and exciting products coming up here. Mainly our newest XPS instrument, soon to be available, is our Phi Genesis. And the Genesis kind of takes some of the advantages of previous models and combines them into one instrument. So you get the advantage of our Quantera, Quantez, and our VersaProbe. And you kind of take the advantages of each system. For example, we have the high throughput analysis capabilities of the Quantera. We have the hard X-ray source capability of the Quantez. And we have the multi-technique capability of the VersaProbe, all combined into one instrument, which is the Phi Genesis, and that's soon to be released. So you can do different techniques on that XPS instrument. We have an auger attachment available on the instrument. We have different sputter guns for depth profiling. We have monoatomic argon, GCIB, gas cluster source, and different sputtering sources to sputter different materials, and different capabilities, all available on the Phi Genesis.
Okay. So I know that there are other, similar instruments out there on the market. What is it that makes physical electronics instruments, better, or what is it that people should be really paying attention to with your instruments?
Yeah, so we're really a world leader in innovation, and one of the things we really excel at Physical Electronics with our XPS instruments is our small spot size. So our ability to analyze small features and map them with XPS. With auger, our really big advantage of the auger system is that we have the cylindrical mirror analyzer. So you have coaxial analysis, you have the electron source and the analyzer on the same axis, so you don't have any shadowing of any features in auger imaging. And then for tof-sims, our main advantage there is that we have MSMS capabilities, so parallel imaging and MSMS available on our tof-sims instrument.
So Ashley, tell me, if people want to get a hold of you and learn more about these instruments from Physical Electronics, how can they find you?
Sure. So you can visit phi.com, phi.com. You can also visit us on LinkedIn for new announcements. We have several webinars we post almost quarterly for instrument updates. We also have our YouTube channel, and then we'll also be present at SIMS 2022 in Minneapolis coming up here in about a month. And then you can also visit us at the AVS conference coming up here in a few months in Pittsburgh. And we will have a lot more information available at that time about our newest XPS product, the Genesis.
Okay, sounds great. Well, thanks a lot. And this is Eric Miller at M&M 2022, and we'll see you on the next one.